2026 is bringing some amazing Japanese cruisers perfect for seniors. These 7 bikes are comfortable, reliable, and ready to ride. Let's start the countdown with number 7. At number 7, 2026 Yamaha VStar 250. One of the most approachable and reliable lightweight cruisers out there. Even in 2026, this bike continues to impress seniors and new riders alike with its smooth, friendly handling and predictably fun performance. Under the tank, the 249 cubic centimeter air-cooled V-twin engine delivers just enough torque to feel confident without ever being intimidating. The bike is light, easy to balance, and the low seat ensures that every rider can feel comfortable from the very first mile. Maintenance is a breeze. Basic oil changes and chain care are basically all this bike asks for, making it perfect for those who want to spend more time riding and less time worrying about repairs. The 2026 updates keep things fresh. A slightly refined suspension, modern digital gauges, and crisp styling tweaks help the VStar 250 stay relevant and stylish on the road. It's reliable, predictable, and one of the few bikes that lets you just hop on and enjoy the ride year after year. For riders looking for a cruiser that's lightweight, dependable, and 100% stress-free, the 2026 Yamaha VStar 250 sets the standard. It's simple, elegant, and exactly why it's still on the radar for seniors who value comfort and reliability in 2026. At number 6, 2026 Honda NC750X. The ultimate blend of comfort, practicality, and stress-free riding for seniors. Even in 2026, this bike continues to impress with its smooth, reliable parallel twin engine and rider-friendly ergonomics. The 745 cubic centimeters parallel twin engine is tuned for calm, predictable power. Perfect for city commutes, long weekend rides, or relaxed cruising. Its upright seating, balanced weight, and low seat height make handling effortless, even in tight spots. The NC750X is practical in every way. The unique storage compartment where the fuel tank normally sits lets riders keep essentials on hand, while the simple electronics and Honda build quality mean fewer visits to the workshop. For 2026, Honda has refined the suspension, adjusted ergonomics slightly, and polished styling touches, keeping the bike fresh and relevant without losing that classic reliability. It's a motorcycle that lets you focus on enjoying the ride rather than maintaining it. If you want a lightweight, manageable, and absolutely dependable cruiser for 2026, the NC750X is a perfect choice. It's smooth, practical, and built to last. A bike seniors can trust mile after mile without ever second-guessing themselves. At number 5, 2026 Yamaha Tracer 9GT. A lightweight adventure tourer that's perfect for seniors looking for versatility and comfort. Even in 2026, this bike continues to impress with its smooth triple-cylinder engine, responsive handling, and fully adjustable ergonomics. The 890 cubic centimeters inline triple engine delivers smooth, responsive power, perfect for effortless highway cruising and spirited rides on open roads. The suspension and chassis are tuned for stability and comfort, making long rides effortless and stress-free. What makes the Tracer 9GT stand out is its rider-focused design. Heated grips, a comfortable seat, and an adjustable windscreen allow you to tailor the bike to your needs, while smart electronics help keep the ride smooth and safe. For 2026, Yamaha has refined the styling, updated the electronics, and polished ergonomics, keeping the bike modern without compromising its proven reliability. Maintenance is straightforward and parts are widely available, which means fewer worries and more miles of riding. Whether it's weekend trips, daily commuting, or exploring winding roads, the Tracer 9GT provides confidence, comfort, and durability. It's the kind of Japanese adventure tourer seniors can rely on to deliver fun and stress-free performance year after year. At number 4, 2026 Honda Rebel 1100 DCT, a cruiser that combines effortless riding with modern technology. Perfect for seniors who want comfort and reliability. Even in 2026, this bike continues to impress with its smooth 1084 cubic centimeter parallel twin engine and Honda's legendary build quality. The DCT automatic transmission makes shifting completely seamless. No clutch, no stress. Just twist and go. It's ideal for city streets, long weekend rides, or casual cruising without worrying about gear changes. The Rebel 1100's low seat height, upright ergonomics, and lightweight make handling easy for riders of all experience levels. Even longer rides feel comfortable thanks to refined suspension and ergonomic design. For 2026, Honda has added minor refinements to styling and electronics, keeping the bike modern while retaining its classic approachable feel. Maintenance is simple, parts are easy to find, and this bike is known to stay trouble-free for years. If you want a Japanese cruiser that's smooth, predictable, and stress-free in 2026, the Honda Rebel 1100 DCT is the perfect choice. It's reliable, approachable, and exactly the type of motorcycle seniors can enjoy without second-guessing. At number 3, 2026 Honda Goldwing Tour DCT. The ultimate long-distance cruiser for seniors who want comfort, smooth performance, and legendary reliability. Even in 2026, the Goldwing continues to impress with its refined flat-six engine and Honda's automatic DCT transmission, making every ride effortless. The DCT system allows you to focus completely on the road, no clutch, no gear-shifting stress, just smooth, precise power delivery. Combined with the Goldwing's massive touring chassis, adjustable ergonomics, and plush seating, it's a bike designed to make every mile comfortable. Technology is where the 2026 Goldwing shines. Smart electronics, advanced infotainment, ride modes, and integrated safety systems make touring safe, convenient, and truly enjoyable. This bike lets senior riders experience long rides without fatigue or worry about mechanical issues. The engine is strong yet smooth, the handling is stable even with a full load, and maintenance remains minimal for a bike of this size. Honda's commitment to quality ensures that the Goldwing Tour DCT will remain dependable for years, making it a favorite among seasoned riders worldwide. For anyone who wants the perfect combination of comfort, power, and reliability in a 2026 Japanese cruiser, the Honda Goldwing Tour DCT is simply unmatched. It's a bike seniors can enjoy for thousands of miles without ever worrying about stopping for repairs. At number 2, 2026 Yamaha Star Venture. A full-featured touring cruiser that combines Japanese reliability with modern comfort and style. Even in 2026, this bike continues to impress senior riders, with its smooth V-twin engine and a host of premium touring features. The 1854 cubic centimeters V-twin engine delivers effortless low-end torque, making highway cruising smooth, relaxed, and confident. The Star Venture is built for long distances, with a low seat, ergonomic riding posture, and adjustable controls that reduce fatigue on multi-hour rides. Yamaha has equipped the 2026 model with smart electronics, ride modes, integrated navigation, and advanced infotainment, all designed to keep your ride enjoyable and stress-free. Even the luggage system and wind protection are engineered for convenience, ensuring seniors can tour comfortably without compromise. This is a bike where mechanics rarely see action because of its reliability and thoughtful engineering. The Star Venture handles like a dream for a heavy touring bike, yet it remains smooth and predictable for riders who value stability over complexity. For seniors looking for a 2026 Japanese cruiser that offers luxury, comfort, and near-zero maintenance concerns, the Yamaha Star Venture is a top contender. It's the kind of motorcycle that makes every long ride feel effortless, while still delivering that unmistakable cruiser presence. At number 1, 2026 Suzuki Vstrom 650 XT, a lightweight adventure touring motorcycle that's perfect for seniors who want versatility, comfort, and rock-solid reliability. Even in 2026, this bike continues to impress with its smooth V-twin engine, advanced suspension, and ergonomic design built for long-distance comfort. The 645 cubic centimeters V-twin delivers consistent, predictable power, enough for highway cruising or winding back roads without ever feeling overwhelming. Its low seat height and balanced weight make it exceptionally easy to handle, even for riders who prioritize control and confidence. The XT trim adds all the touring bells and whistles, adjustable windscreen, luggage-ready design, and advanced electronics to make every ride safer and more enjoyable. Maintenance is simple, parts are widely available, and mechanics rarely see these bikes in the shop, which is exactly why it's number 1 for reliability. The Vstrom 650 XT proves that a Japanese adventure bike can be both fun and worry-free. It's the perfect choice for seniors who want to explore the open road without constantly checking the mechanic's schedule. From city streets to scenic routes, this bike delivers comfort, control, and long-lasting dependability in 2026. Which of these 2026 Japanese cruisers would you ride first? Comment below, hit like, and subscribe for more motorcycle countdowns.